Today is one of my favorite days of the week because it's Fan Mail Day! I love getting to hear from so many awesome fan clubbers out there. Mom, thanks for the letter! She could have just come to my room to tell me this. This one's from Daniel. I haven't talked to him in a while. He's sort of mad at me because I ruined an experiment of his. What's this? I'm sorry I got mad last week. Let's hang soon. Oh, the bracelet says something. 4GVN. Huh? I don't get it. See, it says it right here. 4GVN. I'm confused. My name is Charlie. Don't you think it should say for Charlie? What if this was like another experiment that went wrong? That would be so sad. Maybe he just didn't finish it. I should call him. Daniel!
Charlie, what's up?
Thank you for the letter.
Oh, good, you got it.
Well, I got some of it, but I think some of the pieces are missing.
What do you mean?
It only says 4GVN. Maybe some of the beads fell
No,
off?
that's the whole thing. Like, that's the whole bracelet.
Oh, maybe some of them fell on the floor.
Charlie, hey, where'd you go? No, come back, Charlie, come back.
I can't find anything, Daniel. Oh well, I guess we'll never know what happened, or what was supposed to happen.
Charlie.
But it's okay, sometimes experiments just don't work out.
Charlie.
But you should definitely try again.
Charlie.
Don't let defeat get you down, Daniel.
Are you done?
Yeah.
The bracelet is done. It says exactly what I wanted it to say.
Really?
Yeah, but say it all together.
4GVN?
Like this. Ga. Say it like ga.
Forgavin.
Slower.
Forgavin. Forgiven. Forgiven! Forgiven!
Yeah, that's it, you got it.
Forgiven, like you forgive me?
Yeah, totally. I know you didn't mean to mess up my experiment.
I didn't, really.
Yeah, I know, and I know you didn't mean to ruin it, so I'm not mad.
So I can still come over and help sometimes?
Yeah, totally, absolutely. You're like my biggest experiment helper.
Thank you, this is awesome.
That's awesome. Hey, Charlie, I think I gotta run. I think something's on fire in my laboratory.
Oh, well, that sounds important.
See ya, friend.
Bye. Wow, a Forgiven bracelet. That is so cool. Best mail I've gotten in a long time. You know what? That should totally be our ultimate challenge this week. People are gonna make us mad. Our brothers, our sisters, our friends, lots of people. But we can't stay mad at people. That's not good at all. We need to forgive. Cause when you think about it, haven't we all made people mad sometimes? I know I have. But people forgive us, don't they? So this week, make a forgiveness bracelet. It could be like this, or it could be one you make on your own, like with the rubber band. You write forgiven on it, like this. It says forgiven. So cool. Anyway, think of someone that you need to forgive and make a bracelet. And if you don't have anyone to forgive right now, make it and keep it, so you'll be ready when someone makes you mad. All right, friends, I'm outie. Thanks for sticking around while I open some mail. I hope no one makes you mad this week, but if they do, you know what to do.